Hello, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to study rational numbers. So this chapter we will complete in parts. So starting with part 1. Let's see what are rational numbers. Now, before moving on to rational numbers, we will see some of the numbers which you have already studied in your earlier classes. For that, I am considering one equation, x plus 3 is equal to 9. Now we will find out solution to this equation. To solve this equation, what I will do? I will just take the 3 onto the other side. So it will be 9 minus 3 equals to 6. So the solution to this equation is x equal to 6. What kind of number is 6? It's a natural number. Okay, it is a part of natural numbers. So natural numbers are the numbers which are starting from 0 and going up to plus infinity. Okay, so these numbers are known as natural numbers. Now, next we will consider another equation to see the importance of 0 and what kind of number is 0. So here the equation is x plus 7 equal to 7. To solve this equation, I am taking 7 onto the other side of the equation. So 7 minus 7, I am getting it as equal to 0. So the solution to this equation is x equal to 0. Now 0 is known as a part of whole numbers. So 0 is a whole number. So whole numbers are starting from 0 and they are varying up to plus infinity. So you can see that natural numbers are part of whole numbers because natural numbers are varying from 1 to infinity and whole numbers are varying from 0 to infinity. So natural numbers are part of whole numbers. Now let's see another equation. Here in this equation we have x plus 13 equal to 4. So taking this 13 onto the other side of the equation, so x becomes equal to 4 minus 13, that is coming as minus 9. So the solution to this equation is x equal to minus 9. Now minus 9, is it a part of whole numbers? No, it's not a part of whole numbers. Is it a part of natural numbers? No, it's not a part of natural numbers. Now what kind of number is it? So 9, this minus 9 is called as a negative integer. Now we are coming to integers. So what are integers? Integers are the numbers which are varying from minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay. So all the numbers are falling from minus infinity to plus infinity and these are called as integers. So an integer can be positive or it can be negative. And remember that integers also include 0. Okay. Now, as we have seen in all these three equations, we found out the solutions. So here the solution we are finding out either in the form of integers or whole numbers or natural numbers. Okay. Now, there are some equations for which we won't be able to find the solution in terms of integers. Let's consider equation 5x plus 3 equal to 7. Now to solve this equation, what I will do? I will take this 3 onto the other side of the equation. So it will be 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4 I am getting. So what will be x? X will be equal to 4 upon 5. So because this 5 is multiplied with x on the LHS side, so when we take it onto the RHS side, it will be divided with 4. So this is the solution of first equation. Now from the second equation, I can write 7x is equal to minus 9. So this 9 is coming to the other side of the equation and it is becoming negative. Now I can write x is equal to minus 9 upon 7. So we found out the solution to both these equations. For the first equation, x equal to 4 upon 5, and for the second equation, x equals to minus 9 upon 7. Now, what kind of numbers are these? Are these integers? No. Are these whole numbers? No. Are these natural numbers? No. So what kind of numbers are these? So these numbers are known as rational numbers. Okay. So rational numbers are the numbers which are written in the form of fractions. Okay. So now let's quickly jump on to the definition of rational numbers. A number which can be written in the form P upon Q, where P and Q both are integers, and the most important thing which we need to remember is Q is not equal to 0. So that type of number is known as a rational number. So the important thing is the denominator cannot be equal to 0. That is the most important thing which you need to remember. Okay. So I think now you all are clear about rational numbers. Now let's see all these numbers in the number line. First we are considering natural numbers. So natural numbers are starting from 1 and varying up to plus infinity. Whole numbers are starting from 0 and varying up to infinity. Okay, so we can see that natural numbers are part of whole numbers. Now let's see integers. Integers are the numbers which are varying from minus infinity to plus infinity, and integers also include 0 in them. Next, rational numbers. So rational numbers are again varying from minus infinity to plus infinity. But what is the difference between integers and rational numbers? Here you can see that between two integers we can represent another number in the fraction form. So this number is known as rational number. Like you can see, between 0 and 1 we have 1 upon 2. Between 1 and 2 we have 3 upon 2, like that. So these numbers are rational numbers. So here we can have indefinite number of numbers between any two integers. It's not like that between 1 and 2 we can only have 3 upon 2. It's not like that. We can have indefinite number of numbers between the integers 1 and 2. So rational numbers are also the numbers which are varying from minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay. Now let's have a clear idea by using Venn diagram. So here in the Venn diagram you can see that the circle for natural numbers is the smallest one. Natural numbers are varying from 1 to infinity. Okay. So this is the smallest circle, which is a part of whole numbers as well as integer numbers as well as rational numbers. Now next, whole numbers. The circle is larger than natural numbers. Here you can see it is varying from 0 to infinity. So whole numbers are part of integer numbers as well as rational numbers. Next, coming to integers. Integers are varying from minus infinity to plus infinity. Similarly, rational numbers are also varying from minus infinity to plus infinity. So here you can see the circle for rational numbers is the biggest one. It shows that all type of numbers are falling in rational numbers, because we can show a number of numbers between any two integers also. So that is the main benefit of rational numbers. So I think all of you have a clear idea about rational numbers now. If you have any kind of doubt, then just let me know in the comment section and I will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for watching my video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.